Viewers and my dear subscribers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I know some of the time has spent, but I have forgotten. But still, there is some time people who are bringing the goat for next year, and for who are doing in Qurbani in Tiwas. As soon as you go to buy the goat, as the goat is arrived inside the tempo or the truck, whatever the vehicle is yours. So as the goat come down from the vehicle from you which you have bought. So there are some things that I will tell you. You have to bring like grocery, okay, from kirana shops and so on. So you should keep by yourself or else your friends and family to keep. As soon as the goat will arrive, you should call them and let them know. So first only, don't give them water to drink. First of all, take 4 buckets of water and put some potassium permanganate that will be available in medical store, drugstore. So put that potassium permanganate in that 4 buckets. That will be around small as the goat's knees should be dipped inside it. As soon as you put the potassium permanganate in water, it will turn to pinkish to dark purple. But I don't have such kind of video, so I'm sharing you another thing that will look similar to it, but this is blue color thing. So don't put this. Put potassium permanganate and clean the goat hooves by a brush or by a finger, and don't put directly because potassium permanganate stains your hands. So always wear a gloves for cleaning those kinds of such things. So it will not help other people also. So it will help to cure FMD if it's kind of contagious disease. So as the goat travels from villages to goat mandis, so what happens sometime that you directly also purchase the goat from when it has been arrived at that mandi and you like the goat and you have buy it. So you have to put a little bit of patience because the goat also need relaxation because they're traveling for 12 to 18 hours. You have to ask the person that how much time has gone, and if you're again traveling those goats and buying at the spot only, so goat becomes very really tired. And don't give directly water to the goats to drink, okay. I will let you know how it works. So first of all, you have to give jaggery in ajwain, so it tiredness and weakness will go away. And after that, keep 2 hours. And after 2 hours, give liquid like water around 1.25 liters. If the animals drink more, don't let him drink. The problems what will come, you don't know. Give them green leafy things like bud guler, barsin, lacha, or alfalfa, hydroponics fodder, and whatever the leafy things the goat eats, and ask from an expert. Don't give people ashoka and show plants. Don't let kids to give that. And remember, don't give fodder. No fodder, no bhusa, no churni. And after 2 days you can start those, but still these 2 days you have to give only green leafy things. For whatever I have said, you can also give hydroponic fodder also, that you can see how to grow in a tray and so on. And after 2 days, then you can give chana, makka, jaw, that is gram, corn and barley. Do this and you have to do these things. And after that, you have done this all things in morning, evening and afternoon, okay. So what you will do next is that take some mustard oil, that is also called raika tel in India, and at night what you will do, take 10 ml of that raika tel mustard oil and put in the nostrils of goat or the sheep, okay. If you are not able to do that, then put little bit on its head between its horns. If the climate is rainy or cloudy, it can be a symptom that goat can get fever or so on. It's an Ayurvedic kind of thing. So raika tel or mustard oil also, I think so mustard oil it is English name is. So you can apply on its body. So what will happen, it will keep the goats or the sheep body temperature normal, okay, or little bit of warm. As the goat comes in our society, they start to eat the show plants. So what happens, the show plants, they doesn't digest and it becomes like a garbage inside their stomach and it starts rotting. So after that rotting, it will give problem to your goat. So what problems comes is like they will have gas in their stomach. So first of all, give 20 ml of tablet to a small goat, that's 2 to 4 teeth, okay. And above, I think so 4 to 6 or 8 teeth, if you are having a goat, give 35 ml of this tablet to a goat, or I think so to sheep also. So you can give these medicines. If you feel your goat is having fever, then you can give DP syrup tablet, and in antibiotics you can give Ciplox. If the goat is doing loose motion, then give him Roco tablet, and if still it doesn't work, then give 2 tablets of that same Roco tablet in 50 ml water first of all, and if doesn't stops, then give Navlon powder 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon and night or evening, whatever. And share this video as much as possible, and even clean the goat's place with detergent like phenyl and so on. And I want to say that leave the castrated animal at one place and undo which are bugs at different place. Don't tie all together, because sometimes we are sleeping at night at our home and we don't know what kind of problem the goats are facing. So this was all. I hope so you like this video.